you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, but please click that button below and join the Sassy Classy family so that you will know when I upload videos. I have a great new wholesale company. It is called, let's see, Lovely Wholesale, and if you want to see what new items I picked up, just keep on watching. And while you're watching, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos that I've uploaded this week and last week about all my great wholesale sites. So just keep on watching. And as you see, I've changed my setup just a little bit. I'm trying to get my lighting right and give you guys something else to look at. So my kids are off to college and I've taken over their spaces. So keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I have gotten some new items from a new wholesale site. And this wholesale site is called Lovely Wholesale, and I found this online. So let's just see what I got from them. My last one was from Nora Cora, was not great, but I am working with them to try to replace some of those pieces. So I'll let you know how that goes, and I'll keep updating you probably in the next couple of weeks on if that gets resolved and if I get some better pieces to replace the ones that I did not like. So stay tuned to that. So I went ahead and picked up, I didn't bother to hang these up, so they're going to be a little wrinkled, but sorry about that. I went ahead and picked this up. It's coming to be a little bit cooler here in Arizona, but it doesn't get that cool, so you know, we don't have to be wearing big coats and all that stuff like some of you guys have to wear, but I still got some fall fashions that I'm going to show you. So I picked up this jumpsuit, and this jumpsuit was, let's see, I'm going to have all these prices at the bottom. This jumpsuit was $12.99, and it is cute. It has the zipper in the front, and I love that it ties right here. Well, it has a little string tie at the waist, so you can cinch it in to fit your waist, so it does give it some structure. I got this jumpsuit in a size, in a size medium, and it has these little elastic at the end of the legs, so you can push these up if it gets too hot, like where I am. And you know, of course, you want to bring that down just a little bit to show just a little bit of cleavage, but don't go buck wild, because you know, if you don't have any tape or bra or anything, these girls will be all over the place. But I love this. It's nice and lightweight. You can throw on a cardigan with this, or a jacket, and it's kind of cute. Somebody gonna say those are Halloween colors. Maybe. If that's the case, put it on for Halloween. I don't know what to tell you, but I thought it was cute. It has my pockets, and I am a fan of pockets because I like shoving stuff, putting my phone down in my pockets, especially when I'm listening to music. So I really like this piece, and I'll show you how that goes. It's really lightweight, and the quality looks pretty good. I don't see anything bad about it, so we'll be trying that on. And this is another piece that I got. I'm not sure what this is, because you know, sometimes girls just be ordering stuff. This looks hella interesting. Okay, this is a little, oh, it's just a little dress, and I also got this one in a size medium. This is cute. It's plain, but it's well made. It has a zipper in the back, and the zipper is one of those zippers that is a hidden zipper, so I really like that. It's a stretchable material. I'm not crazy about the sleeves with this little cuff, but there is some stretch in the cuff, and it gives you a little bit more room at the hip. I'm really liking that because you know the girls got a little bit more hip room. But yeah, I love the pattern on the bottom of the skirt, and this is some nice material too. It's pretty heavy. So yeah, I'm liking this little dress as well. I probably would have liked to see maybe instead of the round collar, maybe a collar that went down a little bit in the front, but yeah, it's a very cute little dress. So far so good. And let's see, I'm betting 100 with this. So I don't even know what this is. What is this for, baby? What is this? I don't know what. Oh, this is supposed to be a little tube thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip past that. Let's just move on. Okay. Oh my God, these are pants. I forgot I even put this in my car. Oh my God, these are pants. I saw these. I thought they were just super cute. These are like, I don't even know if you guys remember, what was the rapper's name? I don't even know, the one who used to dance around in circles. These pants remind me of him. I thought they would look just super cute with a nice little blazer or a denim jacket underneath the tube top. But yeah, this tube top is not, yeah, we're going to have to exchange that because that's not going to work for us. But yeah, I love these little pants. You see how they're made? This is actually some nice stretchable material. I got this in a medium as well. Yeah, that should fit my waist. It just looks cute. I can't wait to try this on. It has the little holes right here your legs go through, but it just looks really cute for a casual day. And believe it or not, this is the little, you know, the crouch of the pants way down here. So yeah, I'm gonna have a ball trying these on. But yeah, that's just cute. I'm liking that. I don't even know what to say about this because yeah, we're gonna save that for our opinion. And let's see what the last thing is. Okay, this I got in a large. And oh, this is a little denim jacket I saw, and I probably got it to go with that outfit. This was just super cute. It was a cutoff denim jacket. It doesn't have, it's not even a damn jacket. It's just the top. So I'm thinking if you had on like one of these little shirts and you stuck this on, this is gonna look so cute with it. You get a nice little pair of, even if you had some denim boots and you stuck this on, this is just gonna be totally great. This is just so cute. Probably could have made this my damn self. But yeah, I'll put all the prices down below. I think this was super cute. You can see where it's cut off in the back. I probably would do this a little bit different. This needs to be really ironed. But can you imagine this with some nice little pearls and some nice little string of diamonds on it? Oh, that would just bring out these little, because these aren't really holes. It looks like they tore it and then they sewed it up. I got this in a large because I thought it would just fit perfectly to have that on, and then I could sort of wear it off the shoulders just a little bit. But oh yeah, this was a definite win. And I'm going to iron this out and probably cut some of these strings on here. And I might be blinging this out just a little bit. But anyway, that is all I have for Lovely Wholesale. And this was a definite win so far. I'm going to try these items on and we'll see how everything goes. So stay tuned for the try on. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and to all the Sassy Classy family, mwah, kisses.